Hello students, welcome to class 8. We are going to see exercise 2.2. Your question is find the perimeter and area of the figure. You know what is meant by perimeter. Perimeter means is a total measure of the boundary. Area means the portion inside the closed figure. Now if you see here, they given this figure 10 meter and 7 meter. If it is 10 meter here means opposite side is also 10 meter. But here they given the arc. So you have to find the length of the arc. Length of the arc, if you draw a line here, you will get the semicircle. If it is a 7 centimeter here means here also 7 meter. So as a length, here the semicircle they given the diameter value. So you have to find out the R value to find out the length of the arc. Therefore, length of the arc of semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. So here the given diameter value is 7 meter. R is equal to D by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2 equal to 3.5 meter. Substitute in the value 1 by 2 into pi value they given us 22 by 7 into 3.5. If you cancel this 1.5, this 2 and 2 is cancelled. 22 5s are 110. As they given before one number point, keep the point before one number. So your answer is 11 meter. Now you found out the length of the arc. Therefore perimeter of the figure is equal to 11 plus. So the length of the arc value is 11 meter. 11 plus 10 plus 7 plus 10. So 11 plus 10 plus 7 plus 10, which is equal to 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 11 is 31, 31 plus 7 is 38 meter. Now we'll find out the area of the figure. Area of the figure is equal to, if you see the figure, you will get the rectangle minus area of the semicircle. Because they given in the figure only the arc. So you have to minus this semicircle to get the area of the closed figure. Area of rectangle minus area of semicircle. So area of rectangle you know very well, L into B, and area of semicircle is 1 by 2 into pi r square. L value they given as 10 meter, B is equal to 7 meter and R is equal to 3.5 meter. So substitute in the formula. 10 into 7 minus 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Cancel it 11 times. Here 0.5. And 10 7s are 70 minus 11 into 5 is 55 point into 3.5, which is equal to 70. If you multiple 5.5 into 3.5, you'll get 19.25. If you minus it, 70 minus 19.25. So here they didn't give the value, means keep the decimal and write 20. 9 and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0. Here 6. 6 minus 1 is 5, which is equal to 50.75 meter square. For area you have to write meter square. Next one is, if you see the figure, you can get the rectangle and the quadrant, 2 quadrant. So here 3.5 means this measurement is also 3.5. Here also 3.5 centimeter. If it is 6 centimeter means opposite side is also 6 centimeter. Now you have to find out the length of arc of the quadrant. Therefore, length of quadrant is equal to, quadrant means a circle is divided into 4 parts. Therefore, 1 by 4 into, as we are going to find out the perimeter, you have to use the perimeter formula 2 pi r, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 3.5. So if you cancel 0.5 here, 2, 11. So 11 5s are 55, 5.5 centimeter. If this arc is 5.5, length of the quadrant is 5.5 means here is also 5.5 centimeter. Now find out the perimeter. Perimeter of figure is equal to 5.5 plus, so start from here, 5.5 plus 3.5, 6 plus 5.5, 3.5 plus 6. Which is equal to, if you count all this, you can get 30 centimeter. So perimeter of the figure is equal to 30 centimeter. Now you have to find out the area of the figure. Here area of the figure is area of 2 quadrant plus area of the rectangle. So area of 2 quadrant plus area of rectangle. Area of quadrant is 1 by 4 into, as we are finding area, you have to use pi r square. Here they given 2 quadrants, so 2 into 1 by 4 into pi r square plus area of rectangle, you know very well, length into breadth. 2 into 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into r value is 3.5 into 3.5 plus here L value they given as 6 centimeter and B value is 3.5. L is equal to 6 into 3.5. Take and write it down. L value is equal to 6 centimeter and B value is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So if you cancel here 11 times and then 0.5, which is equal to 5.5 into 3.5. Therefore 5.5 into 3.5 is equal to 19.25 plus 6 into 3.5, which is equal to 21. So if you add this 2, you will get 40.25 centimeter square. Next question is find the area of the shaded part in the figure and pi value they given as 3.14. So area of the shaded part you have to find out. So if you find out this part, you have to find the area of the square minus area of the quadrant. So area of shaded part is equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrant. Area of the square value here they given 10 centimeter. As this full value is 10 centimeter means this value, if you take the first quadrant, you have to find out the r value. So the r is, if it is the full length is 10 centimeter means half of this is 5 centimeter. So area of square A is equal to 10 centimeter and area of quadrant you have to find out R value. R is equal to 5 centimeter. Now substitute in the formula. Area of square is A square minus area of 4 quadrant. Therefore 4 into quadrant is 1 by 4 into area formula is pi r square unit. So A value is 10 into 10 minus, if you cancel this 4 and 4, you can get, in pi value they given 3.14. So use 3.14 in the place of pi into 5 into 5, which is equal to 10 into 10 is 100 minus 3.14 into 25. So 100 minus, if you multiple 3.14 into 25 is equal to 78.50 minus 100 minus 78.50. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2. Your value is 21.50 centimeter square. Next question is find the area of the combined figure given which is got by joining of two parallelogram. So if you see here, they given the figure, you can get the two parallelogram by joining the figure. Now if they given the symbol, that means both the sides are equal. Here 8 centimeter means here also 8 centimeter. Now the total height of the figure is 6 centimeter. Now you want only this value. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter. Here 3 centimeter means here also 3 centimeter. Now find out the area of the parallelogram. Area of So if you see here, you are getting the two parallelograms. Therefore, area of two parallel is equal to base into height. B value is 8 centimeter and height value is 3 centimeter. As you get two parallelogram, therefore 2 into parallelogram formula is base 8 into height is 3. 2 8s are 16, 16 3s are 48 centimeter square. Your fourth question, do as a homework, and your second question, the second part is your homework. And then fourth question is also your homework question. We'll move to the fifth one. The doormat, which is hexagonal in shape, has the following measures as given in the figure. Find its area. If you see this figure, you can see the trapezium. So trapezium 1 and 2. Trapezium, you know the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. Here a value they given as 70 and b value is 90. But the total height value they given us 70 centimeter. You want only to find out this height. So h is equal to 70 divided by 2. Because you are getting the 2 trapezium. Therefore 70 by 2 is equal to 35. So if you take this figure, the height of the first figure is 35. Then the next is also, if you take this one, the height is 35 centimeter. Area of trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. A value is equal to 90 and B value is equal to 70. Here you can see the two trapezium. So write 2 into 1 by 2. H value is 35 into 70 plus 90. Cancel this 2 and 2. 35 into 90 plus 70 is 160. So if you multiply 160 into 35, that is 35 into 16. 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 0, 6, 5. And here we have 0, so add that 0. So your answer is 5600 centimeter square. Area of the figure is equal to 5600 centimeter square. Next, sixth one, do as a homework sum. We will move to the seventh question. Seventh one, if you see here, you are getting many figures. First, write down the figure as A1, then this one as A2, A3, A4, A5. So first one, if you see the first A1, you can see the shape triangle. Therefore, area of triangle, that is A1, is equal to, you know, area of triangle formula is half into base into height, square unit. Here if you take your base as 6 meter and height is 3 meter. Therefore, base is equal to 6 meter and height is equal to 3 meter. 1 by 2 into 6 into 3. 2 3s are 3 into 3 is 9 meter square. Put the answer in the box. Next figure is, again if you see here, you can get the triangle only. Here 6 meter and here 8 meter. So you have to add this total length. That is your base value. Therefore, area of triangle A2 is equal to half into base into height, square unit. Now here base is equal to 8. 8 plus 6 is 14 meter and h is equal to, your height value is 8. Therefore, half into 14 into 8, which is equal to 4 4 are 16, 56 meter square. Now take the area of the third figure. If you see the figure 3A3, you will get again in the triangle. If you see here, the triangle here 10 meter and this value is 5. So you have to add the total length. 10 plus 5 is 15. Area of triangle A3 is equal to half into base into height, square unit, and here your base value is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 meter and height value is 8 meter, which is equal to half into 8 into 15, cancel 4, which is equal to 4 5s are 20, 60. 15 into 4 is 60 meter square. Now area of the figure A4. If you see the figure A4, again you are getting the triangle. So write it down. Here base value is 5 and height value is 8. Area of triangle A4 is equal to half into base into height square unit. Here B is equal to 5 meter and H is equal to 8 meter. Therefore, half into 5 into 8. If you cancel this one, 4, 20. 20 meter square. Now next one, if you see here, you will get the trapezium. Here A value is 3 meter and B value is 8 meter. Now the height value is 10 plus 8 is 18. So your fifth figure is trapezium. So you have to use a trapezium formula. UM is equal to half into H into A plus B. H is equal to 18 meter. A is equal to 3 meter and B is equal to 8 meter. Therefore, area of the figure is equal to A1 plus A2, A3, A4, A5. 9 plus 56 plus 60 plus 20 plus 99, which is equal to 244 meters square. Next exercise is exercise 2.3. In this we are going to see the 3D shapes. The shape which have 3 dimensions, namely length, breadth and height, are called the 3-dimensional shape. Simply we can call it as the 3D shape. Example is cube and cuboid. In 2D shape you can get only the length and the breadth, but if you take the 3D you can get the height also, that is depth. Okay, now we'll move to the fill up. The first question is the 3 dimensions of the cuboid are. The 3-dimension 3D shape means you can get length, breadth and height. The meeting point of more than 2 edges in a polyhedron is called as a vertex. A cube has dash faces. If you take the cube, you can get 6 faces. The cross section of a solid cylinder is dash. What is meant by cross section? Cross section means when we cut the vegetable, for example, if you take the carrot, if we cut the vegetable in cross section for cooking purpose, we see some plain figure in it. Example, the cross section of the carrot is the circle. So, the cross section of the solid cylinder is circle. If a net of a 3D shape has 6 plane squares, that means if you get the, if they given the 6 plane square, you can, using that 6 plane square, you can make a cube. 3D shape is cube. Now match the following. The shape of this is cuboid. Here the next one is the cylinder. Third one, here they given the square. So square pyramid. And fourth one is triangular prism. Next one, which 3D shape do the following net represent? Draw them. See here, the net, they given the square. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If they given the square means you can able to draw the cube. Therefore, the first figure is the cube. Next one, they given the rectangle. Rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 rectangles nets are there. So using this we can able to draw the cuboid. The next one is 3 rectangle and 2 triangle. If you see the prism, triangular prism, you can get the 2 triangle. So 2 triangle and 3 rectangle means you can able to draw using this net triangular prism. And next fourth figure is square they given and 4 triangle. If you see the figure square pyramid, the square and 4 triangles. So using this net you can able to draw the triangular prism. And last one is rectangle and the circle. So rectangle and the circle, using this net you can able to draw the cylinder. It's easy, no? So if they given the square means 6 squares means cube, 6 rectangle means cuboid, and then 2 triangle means triangular prism, 1 square, and then 4 triangle means square pyramid, and 2 circle and 1 rectangle means you can able to draw using this net cylinder. Now fourth one, for each solid 3 views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front and side views. So this one do as a homework. Your last question, verify Euler formula for the table given below. Euler formula is equal to face plus vertices minus edges. You have to get 2. If you didn't get 2, you can say it is not verified. Your first question is face they given 4 plus vertex is 4, edges is 6 minus 6, which is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So you get 2. Therefore 2 is equal to 2. Verify. Next one is face is equal to 10 plus vertex is equal to 6. Edges is 12 minus 12. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. 4 which is not equal to 2. So it is not verified. So you can write no. And third one, face they given 12. Vertex is 20 minus 30. 12 plus 20 is 32. 32 minus 30 is equal to 2. Which is equal to 2 is equal to 2. Verified. Now the remaining 2 sums do as a homework. Complete all the worked out problems in your classwork note and submit the note either on Monday or Thursday without fail. Thank you, students.